Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to show you a simple egg burji and pav. Here I've prepped all the ingredients required for this recipe. All the ingredients that I've used like onion, chili, tomato, curry leaves, it should be finely chopped. I'll also be using ginger and garlic paste, spice powders like chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the iCard above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. You can serve this egg burji and pav any time of the day for breakfast, lunch or dinner, or even for an evening snack you want to have something, you can prepare this. So here I've heated a wok on medium flame and added oil. Once the oil has reached temperature, I've combined and added the onion, chili, tomato, curry leaf. We need to fry all these ingredients till the onion turns transparent and the tomato is nice and soft. Here you can see the oil has surfaced on top. At this point, I kept stirring it and frying it. Now I'll be adding all the spice powders and ginger and garlic paste. So I've added chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, and I'll add the ginger and garlic paste. We need to stir and fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor reduces. Now once you add all your dry spices and ginger and garlic paste, the masala will tend to stick to the bottom of the pan. So we don't want it to burn. So to avoid that burning, I'll also add salt as per taste now. We'll add some water and cook the masala till it's nice and soft or it's nice and tender. You should make sure the masala doesn't burn. That's it. Now once the masala starts to cook and the oil surfaces on top, that's when I'll add the eggs. I'll also add milk, little bit of milk. You can also add water as per your choice. And we need to stir the eggs and scramble it in the masala. You can whisk your eggs and add it in the masala. Add it as it is and stir it as I am doing it. Constantly keep stirring this, and you need to cook the eggs on low to medium flame till the eggs are nice and well done. Some people prefer it fluffy. You can remove it when it's nice and fluffy and you can serve it as it is. So all the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with the detailed blog post is posted on my blog. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, along with my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter links. You do follow me on all the other social media handles as well. You can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. Now you can see the egg is nice and fluffy. You can remove it from the flame as it is and serve it. I like the eggs to be well done, so I kept cooking this on low to medium flame. I have not placed this on high flame at all. If you place this on high flame and cook your eggs on high flame, it will tend to become rough. So this is on low to medium flame. I kept stirring this and cooking the eggs till it's nice and tender. I also have a Tamil channel where all the recipes are translated and posted in Tamil language. You can visit me on my Tamil channel as well. So here you can see the egg burji is ready. At this point I'll remove it from the flame and I'll place a tawa on medium flame. We'll need to toast the pav buns and serve it along with the egg burji. Now here I've placed a tawa on medium flame. I'll add some butter. I'll be using regular pav buns. We need to slice the pav buns in half and toast it in the butter. We'll add some more butter and toast the pav buns both sides. Here you can see the pav buns are done. Before serving the egg burji, I'll just sprinkle some finely chopped coriander. We need to stir this well and we will serve our egg burji with our pav buns. Now I've served my egg burji and pav buns. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.